मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय। मानवता निर्माण करे हमारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय, मेरा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
Dear students, parents and learned staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumalgiri, greetings to you all. Today is 29th August and as you all know, we are celebrating National Sports Day in commemoration of Major Dhyan Chand, who is also known as Wizard of Hockey, Hockey के जादूगर। Games and sports form the important part of Vidyalaya curriculum. And yes, I know how happy you are when the games period starts. Indeed, there are several reasons to be happy. Sports are not played only to learn how to maintain the physical stamina, but also to learn the habit of discipline and determination to win. Playing sports along with studies helps in the all-round development of the students. In sports, you learn how to deal with the competitions and how to cope with both winning and losing. This kind of balanced learning process results in the child's social, mental and moral development in addition to physical skills. So I want you to be a good sportsman. A good sportsman always learns qualities like leadership, maintaining teamwork and team spirit. Sports train the students to face defeat with a smile and maintain the temper even in victory. This makes our mind healthy by justifying the statement, a sound mind dwells only in a sound body. Children, there are various benefits of playing sports like healthy heart. Cardiovascular health improves as the heart pumps more blood. It reduces the chance of heart attacks and cardiac diseases. It reduces obesity. Engaging in physical activities will help to burn the fat and calories. Students who are regular players of any sports are naturally fitter and healthier as compared to others. Playing sports improves immunity and makes the body immune to many diseases. Children, a healthy and strong mind is not possible without sports and physical activities. There is a famous saying that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So make sure that you don't become the next Jack with a dull personality, but become the next Dhyan Chand, Ronaldo or PV Sindhu. All the best.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Mrs. K. Lalit Kala, PGT Chemistry of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumalgiri, presenting before you a speech on fitness and wellness through sports, Fit KVN, SBSB. Every year on August 29th, India celebrates its National Sports Day, and the day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. The day is observed to spread awareness on the importance of sports and daily activities in everyone's life. Major Dhyan Chand made India proud by his extraordinary skills, sporting skills, and he was the greatest hockey player India has ever seen, who won gold medals in Olympics for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. He scored over 400 goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. As we all know that health is the most important aspect of our life. There is nothing more crucial than health for any human being. When we are healthy, we are able to enjoy our life well. Our health is more valued than our wealth. In fact, we have heard this many times from our elders who keep on saying that health is wealth. Fitness is needed to stay on top of physical health. Physical and mental fitness is important for students to be successful and contribute positively to the society. Buddha has rightly said, to keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. As Dr. Kenneth Cooper said, we do not stop exercising because we grow old. We grow old because we stop exercising. We are familiar with both the terms sports and fitness. Sports play a very vital role in our life as it keeps us active and healthy. We all have heard that a healthy mind needs a healthy body, which means that we can have a healthy mind if and only if we have a healthy body. Playing a sport is a great kind of workout as it increases the cardiovascular functioning and hence decreases the risk of chokes and heart attacks, and also sports helps the individuals, and especially we are focusing on our students here to maintain a healthy weight. Playing sport is for sure the best way to improve health and to be fit. It seems difficult for people to have a long run on a treadmill or doing gym, but chasing a ball while playing football is a sort of fun to all of us. Sports not only helps to maintain a healthy body weight, but also it has several other benefits as it improves flexibility, stamina, helps to strengthen the bones, and many more benefits. Sports helps the students to cope up with anxiety and depression, as if a student suffering from depression is engaged in activities like sports, then all his or her time will be in passing, the concentrating on the tricks and techniques of the game, and thus there is a big chance that the student can live a better life by coming out of depression. There are many games that help in increasing the concentrating power of an individual, of which chess is the most important and the common example. By the means of sports, people with interest in the same fields become friends, and hence the social circle of students also increases. In simple words, we can say that if a person is sporty, then it is more likely that the person or the student is having a healthy lifestyle. Sports also teaches one that how to take both success and failure in the same positive way and make the students the stepping stone of their career. Scientifically, sports also help in increasing lean body mass by burning more calories and excess of fat stored at various parts of the body. All kind of sports and physical activities helps an individual to be healthy and fit irrespective of the fact that how good he or she is at playing that game, and it will always lead you to be fit and healthy. As we all know that being good at sports is a strong social asset for children, and that kind of children also have a good personality than those who are not indulged in sports activities. Great achievement can only be achieved in life when students are mentally and physically fit. It is not only for children, but many surveys and studies have cleared the fact that senior citizens who have played various kinds of sports in their childhood have less cardiovascular problems as compared to the group of others. The coordination of various body parts is also developed in a great manner by playing specific types of games such as playing volleyball and table tennis, which increases hand eye coordination. Although the brain is also developed because of the procedure of fast thinking involved in the games, playing sports also decreases the risk of osteoporosis and prevents bone loss at higher age levels. Where our young students need to know the benefits of sports. It controls weight, reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, develops leadership qualities, strengthens bones and muscles, improves mental and physical health and mood, develops the quality of teamwork, increases the concentrating power. All these benefits of sports must be taught to our young children. Swasth Bacche Swasth Bharat program, also called as SBSB program, is an initiative of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan to promote the physical and health fitness profile through Fit KVN app. Swasth Bacche Swasth Bharat program provides a comprehensive and inclusive report card for children of different abilities, also making students, teachers, and parents aware about the importance of good health and fitness, and encouraging 60 minutes of play each day is an objective of the program. In this program, we measure various physical fitness aspects like cardiovascular endurance, strength, power, flexibility, coordination, balance, and various motor abilities for different classes. The Fit India movement is a movement to take the nation on a path of fitness and wellness. It provides a unique and exciting opportunity to work towards a healthier India. Swasth Bacche Swasth Bharat program, an initiative of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, prepares a physical health and fitness profile card for more than 12 lakhs of Kendriya Vidyalaya students all over India and abroad. Swasth Bacche Swasth Bharat program also intends to imbibe values of Olympics and Paralympics among students, bring back the childhood among children, and make physical activity and recreational games an integral part of learning process, motivating potentially outstanding performers in various games and sports of excellence, using technology for data capture and analytics, and giving access to schools, parents, and teachers are all the objectives of the program of SBSB. So, finally, I would like to say that stay healthy and fit and enjoy life the most. Thank you, one and all.
Importance of National Sports Day, briefing about hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand. Respected principal, staff, parents, and my dear students, a very good morning to all. This is GB Padmarao, TGD PNHE, KV Tirumalgiri. I am here to brief about National Sports Day, which is also called as Rashtriya Khel Divas. Before we discuss about National Sports Day, let us understand the term sports. Sports in general understand as a physical and mental activity through which we can improve our physical, mental, and social health. So every year on 29th August is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. It is the birthday of the legendary sports person Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best sportsmen ever to have graced the Indian hockey. He was the greatest player ever produced by India. He was also called hockey wizard. Hockey always have a special place among Indians. India won 3 Olympic gold medals under his captaincy in Olympics 1928, 1932, and 1936 in Berlin. Total in international area, he has scored more than 400 goals and represented the country from 1926 to 1948. So total 22 years he represented the country. The era was led by none other than Dhyan Chand, who scored 33 goals in international 12 matches. When India won against Germany 8-1 in the finals of Berlin Olympics, the great ruler Adolf Hitler, the Chancellor of Germany, offered citizenship and colonel post in the German army. But Dhyanchand politely refused the offer. Thus, he possessed the sportsmanship integrity towards the country. He has received the third highest civilian honor of the country, that is Padma Bhushan. Dhyanchand was born in Allahabad to Someshwar Dutt Singh. The man held the Indian flag high in the Olympics in 3 occasions, and he was passed away on 3rd December 1979. The most noted memorials for him is Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in games and sports in India, and the National Sports Day celebrations on his birthday. Sports is very important activity for students. One of the activities which can help to develop multiple qualities like sense of oneness, leadership qualities, physical and mental stamina, strategy making, and national integration. In many schools across India, National Sports Day is celebrated as Annual Sports Day. The President of India gives away awards on National Sports Day to players across the field. Every year, on the occasion of National Sports Day, athletes will be nominated by selection committee to honor these with Rajiv Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, and Dhyanchand Award. National Sports Day was first celebrated on August 29 in the year 2012. Every year, National Sports Day is celebrated with one particular theme, and in the year 2019, the theme of National Sports Day was Fit India, Young India. On National Sports Day, the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, in the year 2018, launched the Khelo India scheme. Various sporting events are conducted on National Sports Day, such as football, cricket, volleyball, athletics, basketball, and tennis. Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, launched the Fit India movement on National Sports Day. Fit India movement is observed and celebrated across all the universities and colleges in the country, including our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan thrives for the all-round development of its students. Sports always given primary importance in KVS to bring out the innate talent of students and send students in sizable number in various events for SGFI every year. With a call given by CBSE, the KVS conducts various sporting programs in all Kendriya Vidyalayas spread across the country, showing the strength of unity in diversity and displaying the fantastic national integration. With proper policies and legislation in place, India has the potential to become the number one country in the world in sports and has not only great social and health benefits but also economic benefits for the country. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. I am S. Vinay Kumar Yadav, a former international basketball player. Right now I'm working with Central GST and Customs. I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya National Police Academy till my 10th standard. After that, I did my 12th standard from KV Golconda number 1. I did my graduation from Bundelkhand University. After that I have joined Railways, and after that right now I am working with Central GST and Customs. First of all, I would like to thank Srimati Mitra Vinda Rao ma'am, Principal KB Tirmalgiri, and Sri GB Padma Rao sir, PGT, KB Tirmalgiri, for giving me this prestigious opportunity to speak my view on this special occasion of the National Sports Day. This is a wonderful way to make the nation educate towards the importance of being fit and healthy, especially while facing this pandemic situation all over the globe. The National Sport Day on 29th August is celebrated across the country and also recall and show respect for the birth anniversary of hockey legend Sri Major Dhyanchand Ji, who is regarded as nation's greatest hockey player of all time, popularly known as the Wizard for his magical touch, superb control, creativity, and extraordinary goal scoring feats. Dhyanchand Ji was instrumental in taking Indian hockey to greater heights under his extraordinary leadership. Dhyanchand Ji had led India to 3 Olympic gold medals in the years 1928, 1932, and 1936. He had scored over 400 goals in his 22 years of international career, spanning from 1926 to 1948. To celebrate and honor Dhyanchand Ji, the Major Dhyanchand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India. Therefore, having a National Sports Day is so crucial. The need of the hour for youngsters in this nation is to stay fit and healthy. There's the awareness which is spread. Besides this, the importance of sports and daily activities in every individual's life is also a vital aspect. I would like to also educate people that on this day, the President of India honors eminent sports personalities with major awards including Khel Ratna, Arjuna Awards, Dronacharya Awards, and Dhyanchand Award. This is an eventful day for the rising athletes to set the standards and go for their prestigious awards. I strongly believe that telecasting these events in the grand way would inspire youngsters to choose the field of sports and excel in it so that one day they get that honor from the entire nation.
Good morning everyone. I, D. Ruchishya Reddy, student of class 10, Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirumalgiri, on the occasion of National Sports Day, want to share my experiences on staying fit during COVID-19. National Sports Day is celebrated across the country on 29th August every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyanchand. This day is observed in our country to spread awareness on the importance of sports in daily life and the need to stay fit and healthy. Staying healthy has become all the more important during these trying days. Health consciousness has become the new mantra during the ongoing pandemic, though awareness on the need to stay fit has grown tenfold. On the last few months, people are confined to their homes, restricting the scope of physical and mental exercises required to stay fit. As a badminton player myself, I feel that staying fit should be an integral part of our lifestyle. It shouldn't be something which one should consider only in the times of crisis. Also, fitness doesn't mean only physical fitness but also mental and emotional stability. All the three physical, mental, and emotional health are interdependent. So, it is necessary to maintain our physical, mental, and emotional states in good health. In regard of the ongoing pandemic, I would like to share my daily fitness routine. My day starts with physical and mental exercises. First, I do a bit of warm-up exercises, which is followed by a series of yogasanas, including sitting, standing, prone, and supinasanas. To name a few, I do Vajrasana, Ardha Maschendrasana, Paschimottanasana, Vrikshasana, Tadasana, Virabhadrasana, Dhanurasana, Shalabhasana, Chakrasana, Sarvangasana, Halasana, among others. My usual yoga routine ends with 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Then I start doing pranayama, that is breathing exercises. Pranayama helps in regulating oxygen levels in body, relaxing our mind and body. Some of the pranayamas I do are Bastrika, Anulom Vilom, Kapalabhati. I also do Omkara for 3 times. On alternate days, I go for a 40 minutes run. My evening fitness schedule includes warm-up, skipping, abs, plank and core position, exercises, agility. Other than this, for badminton practice, I do wall practice, strokes, footwork and shadows. I also do a bit of wrist, arm and leg strengthening exercises. I end the session with stretching. This ends my evening session of physical fitness. Now coming to my diet, I eat a balanced diet. My everyday diet includes eggs, bananas, fruits, dry fruits, healthy snacks such as tilke laddu, chikki and liquids like lemon water, coconut water, etc. apart from regular meals. For staying fit, proper sleep, that is minimum of 7 hours, peaceful mind, cheerful atmosphere are as important as diet and exercise. Not only a sports person, but I feel that every person should have a fitness schedule. One should do yoga, breathing exercises, have a balanced diet, good sleep, pursue a hobby, and lead a cheerful life to beat this pandemic. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है